Sopai.
Sopai. Can I try?
Try.
Let's try sopi. You speak Maram. Maram. You speak
Mairang.
Marang language.
One day.
Krang. You krang. Okay. Let's go, guys. Another one. Only few days trip and one luggage and a lot of clothes. For me, one t-shirt, 2 t-shirts, 1 shorts, paila. That's what the man needs. Very interesting now the woman's, isn't it? Oh, what do you say? Comment below. Ah,
Lum
Lum,
for you.
sorry you.
Yes.
Lum, sorry you.
May parang baro tem tasni mo kung magilaong manin haga life mo bagi late ko Mairang. Di na Mairang pa siya nung stone. Di ngila decide mo bagi niya late ta ka auto. Ni travel ta ka auto. Di ngirang shukoy mentahan niya po. Ayun mo. Sumer hoy. Di mo ngila ya po hanya po sumer menta. Di ngila late ta ka auto mo. Gini ngila ada packet things ni. We are very excited to move. Like let's go Mairang, to see beautiful people and see the culture there. Very excitement. What about you?
Yes, let's go Mairang.
Yes.
Mairang and Nongstoy.
Yes. Bigger man mo, we can say kedua ang tiki subscriber ke Juniro. We excited pa ha? So let's go. So our journey mo, ka journey class start na. Yes.
How tall is that one?
Yes.
Suki. We go slowly but steady.
With the race.
Yeah. Who tirangsim?
No, Tirot.
Huh?
Tirot.
Tirot.
Tirot sing.
Tirot.
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 Tirot
Tirot.
sing.
Tirot sing.
Yes.
Tirot sing.
Meghalaya warrior.
Meghalaya warrior. Here in Mairang. Look at him. He looks like a warrior only. Obviously he have a sword, he have a shield, looks like he have paila, of course. I have paila also. And then he have earrings and a spot on his head. Wow, welcome to Mairang. Let's go. All right. Hello, how are you? Already kids are showing us where to eat here in Mairang. And guys, this is bolbaring, real bolbaring. Bolbaring, oh kakaliding. Hello, how are you? Good. Shano. Hangne. Okay, totta. Ma. Oikom. You have toilet here or washroom?
Washroom is over there.
That side?
Yeah.
Toto.
I know you.
Ah.
Just watch your video.
Oh, thank you very much. Today we just reached here in Mairang. Yeah. Nice place. Ah. Wow, look at it. Hello.
You want toilet dem or toilet shwa? Dajan? Tata. One guy.
Hello.
See, let's eat a video.
Oh, kau boleh semua.
Very super.
Klik auto ni.
Oh, betul. Kisah sana kan?
Mairang ni.
Oh, sana.
See, right.
Oh, he says to watch our videos.
Oh, thank you very much. Appreciate it. I can interview you. How is the weather here in Mairang? Fine. Oh yeah, because you are obviously you are half Finnish, so you like more cooler place. Is it true or what? Yes. And you really want to hold the camera. You really want to hold the camera stick, isn't it? You can film to the another side. Here, you can hold it. I gotta say, she have She have very strong grip. Okay. Kasi blood, you have Assamese blood, you have Finnish blood. So of course you have a strong grip. Yes. Yes. You have strong grip. Yes. Yes, like that.
I am very surprised with the toilet. It's very clean.
Very
because
clean.
Usually in India, the toilet is very dirty, no?
Oh.
And here it's very clean, and they even have their hand wash also. It's nice to see that. Very nice.
Hello boys. How are you? I like the air here. Fresh air. Yes.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Fine.
You're fine.
Hey, Padu, how are you?
I'm good. I'm very good. How are you?
I'm good too.
You're good too.
Nice to see you.
Nice to see. Try fish. Stay. Yeah. How you say? Stay.
You know, no stay.
You say anongstoin. Yeah, so you say nongstoin. Like that. Ah, okay, good. Hello. How are you?
I'm good.
You're good.
Yes.
Shano. Chane. Okay. What is your name? Okay, nice name.
I watch your videos.
Oh.
My family.
Oh, you have watched?
Yes.
Did you like?
Yes.
Thank you very much.
And comments.
Oh, you have also comment? Oh, thank you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Hello.
Bang.
How is the Mairang chicken chow? Bam bao. Wow.
What? We go into her house.
Oh.
She's my relative.
Like
Yes, I
that.
know.
Wow.
Yes.
Last year I meet Emma
Oh.
and Vandana house.
Oh. Hello. How are you?
I'm fine.
You're fine.
I saw you the YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Hello.
Okay. Hello.
So look,
Oh.
at more. Unlike right?
Yes.
How did they talk? Did they say sorry to each other?
Yes.
Oh wow, that's nice.
Friends again.
Yes. Wow, such a good story.
And mommy share, and daddy share, and the baby share. But okay.
Welcome to Mairang. Good morning, everybody. I didn't know that in Mairang here have a giraffe, but what can find it only, and it looks at you in the very early in the morning when you wake up. Tigers are also here. Look at it. Okay, jokes are done on this morning, but the views are wonderful and it's very windy. Yesterday night, one thing what I didn't know, Mairang is a cold place. It's a cool place. Okay, I had a shorts and t-shirts, and when I arrived here I was like, hey, what's going on here? We are in India, but it's like a Finland only. I need to have a jacket or something. I'm gonna freeze here. But now it's very nice because the sun is shining, and wow, what a beautiful Mairang is beautiful place. I like it. It's also a little bit hilly, like all Meghalaya is hilly area. Go freshing up, then I'm gonna head up to the town.
Get the feeling! Possible pushing through with the sky blue, back to guard you now, preferably the PR. You can tell the way the homies sit. I'm from New York.
Hello, good morning guys. Good morning. How are you guys?
I'm fine, guys.
You're fine. Tell me something about Mairang. Beautiful people, right? Beautiful people, huh? Like they say, Mairang have a beautiful people here. Yes, nice people. Okay. So that it is. Mairang have a beautiful people. Let me see if I can have a tea here. May I have a tea? Oh, hoy. Hello. You have tea? Yes. May I have 1 cup of tea? People eat a lot of book lane. Okay, especially in breakfast. Book lane. I don't know if I say it right. Is it book lane? Yes. Book lane. Oh yeah, and then One thing, the official languages here in Mairang is obviously Kasi, Maram and English. What I was learning in Jawai was Jadhipi, Jadhipi, and then you can say Yapi. But yes, I want to learn Maram. Let's go and find somebody who speaks Maram and can teach me some words. How are you, example? Kumno pilong. Let's finish my tea. I've just finished my tea. Eh? I'm the only one who is using a t-shirt here. Otherwise, other people have a jacket. Huh? That's like. Chano eh? Chano. Go play. Ah. Oh. Yeah, nice. Oh, joy of giving. Oh, nee, good. Yang ni. Yang. You speak Maram. Maram. You speak Marang language. You speak. Krang. You krang. Krang Maram. Maram. Nee. Somebody was watching our video only there. Ah, how cool is that one? Mairang. Welcome to Mairang only. Hello guys. Hello. Kumno. How are you? Oh, good. Oh, how are you? Good. Guys, do you speak Maram? Krang Maram?
Speak.
You speak?
No.
Do you speak? Only Kasi? Kasi. Okay. You speak Maram? Krang Maram?
You remain.
Because also in this area, some people speak Maram. No, Pilong. Biang no. Do you speak Maram? Maram. Krang Maram.
Keren maram.
Ah.
Keren maram. Keren nang ni no. Di sana kasoy. Keren maram tip. Kasoy maram la kajong.
You can you teach me Maram?
Kene Mairang kamne ke maram.
Nay. Only a little bit. Only Kasi.
Kasi.
Kasi English na. Like that. Okay. I try to find somebody who is speaking Maram.
Maram pedon nang cingay me.
That side.
Mokorat sides. Mokorat.
Oh, Magwarat.
Maram tu mokorat.
Like that.
Southwest.
Oh. Yes. Good morning. How are you doing? Shano.
From Rangkit Mairang.
Mairang. Okay. Where you go now?
In the shop.
In the shop. Okay. Do you speak Maram? No, speak only Kasi English. Okay, I try to find somebody who speak Maram. Okay, nobody speak Maram here. Oh, there is a school. Okay, let's go and see. Yes, this one. It's the school Ching Maham Umpit Panrung Shabohka Compound School Dhaka Bakiev Nalorka Jinker Umpit Ban Punpait Jaka Tala Lada Lap Iakipa Le Ursa Un Puns Hiton Katba Shong Ka Ain. Like that. Was it correct? Yes. Okay. Are they working with water? Na. Yes. Washing cloth. How you say this village name? Urmarlong. What is it? Lumlaralong. Long village. What is here in that side?
There is a college.
College is that side. Okay, to mo. Bye. So. Yes. Okay, so it's a water time in the mornings, right? Yes. That's how they do. Take the water from where it comes? From the hill. From the hills, up there. Okay, so the water comes somewhere there, up the hill, and people fill it and wash clothes, wash dishes, wash this and that. Take a shower, bath also can take with the like that. Okay, so more. Some of the village name, my goodness, it is. For my mouth is something, it's like a tumtap. like some of the Kasi words is very hard to pronounce. Hello guys. Come no. Biangi. Do you guys do you speak Maram?
Maram.
Maram. You speak Maram? You teach me some Maram. Krang Maram.
Maram.
Krang.
Di ana. Where do you go? Di ana.
Dihano. Okay, Dihano. Oi kong. Dihano. Chasurok. Oh, college. To. Mo. Okay, to. I learned Maram and I got an answer also. Let me try again. Oi, Dihano. Yata. Okay, so then you can say Dihata. Dihano, Dihata. Oi, Dihano. Okay, to. Shano. Chane. Okay. Mo. Dihano. Learning. Hello, Dihano. School. Okay, to. Hello. That side.
Okay.
Shane. Shane. Hello. Okay, Mo. Bye. So here is also school is also here. College. This is college. Oh, okay. So that is college. Yo, so I was right. The big building, blue building here. It's college. Students are there, like that. What is the college name? Here is Jesus Christ also welcoming everybody safely in the school in the Mairang. Like that. Kumnoe. How are you? Silent. How are you? Fully silent. Once again. How are you guys? How are you? Hello. Okay, Mo. Bye. Little bit shy. This is the market here in Mairang. Looks like this. Shop after shop. In Kasi, how you say fruit? Soyong. Oh, soyongs. Market full of soyongs.
Soyong fruit.
Yes.
The vegetable
Chor.
Yes.
Chor. Okay, thank you very much. I learned something. Chor. Okay. Chor. Chor. Huh? Chor. Vegetables. Soyong fruit.
Black fruit sayong.
Soyong. Okay, so it's fruit, ne? Soyong fruit. Sop high. It's good.
Yes.
Can I try?
Try.
Sopi. Ma. Let's try sopi. Oh, enggak. Spicy. What is this one?
Chili.
Sour and chili. Nee. Very spicy. Hello. How are you? Good. Roy, come now. Bien. Ball baring.
Hey, selfie.
Okay, selfie. Yes. Sindur. Like and subscribe, guys. Thank you for watching this episode about Mairang. What I could say about Mairang? Beautiful place, beautiful people, beautiful town. Next place where we're gonna go for Nongstoin. So, stay tuned.